Several high-profile crimes are raising questions about bond for defendants, who qualifies to be released, and is the public protected from violent criminals. Tonight, the I-Team's Cynthia Gould with answers from a legal expert.
Court documents reveal horrifying details in the case against a Fayette County mother. Her son Caleb, presumed dead, the victim of child abuse. Wendy Bailey's bond, $2 million. Caleb's grandfather, $100,000 for failing to report a missing child. Some are questioning, how are they even eligible for bond?
Historically, everyone was entitled to bond except those people charged with capital offenses.
Criminal defense attorney Tommy Spina says under Aniah's law, the state can request a no bond for a number of other crimes, including kidnapping, rape, burglary, and arson in the first degree.
The purpose of bond, historically, is to ensure that you show up when you're supposed to, i.e., you're not a risk of flight, and two, that society is protected. You're not a danger to society. I've argued 1,000 times a bond that you cannot make is no bond, and that is unconstitutional, in my opinion.
Spina adds at the core of our criminal justice system, the presumption of innocence. And if someone is innocent, clearing their name can take years.
People end up staying in jail sometimes for 2 years before they get their day in court. And that's simply because of the nature of the system.
Spina explains courts have options like electronic monitoring, geofencing devices, and surrendering a passport. To get a no bond, the law says prosecutors must prove by clear and convincing evidence that no condition of releasing a defendant will protect the community. A pretrial detention hearing is held. The defense can present evidence and cross-examine witnesses. The judge considers the nature and circumstances of the offenses and weight of the evidence. While Spina believes Aniah's law is very well intentioned, he says in some cases it has overstepped.
But what I think is flawed is the unintended consequences that have come from the law, and in some instances, its misuse.
Now, I spoke with Aniah's mother earlier today. Angela Haley Harris says the law is working and being used every week all across the state. The suspect in her daughter's kidnapping and murder in 2019 has yet to go on trial. The next status hearing will be coming up in the fall. Megan.